Hey, welcome back to another episode of Cold Email Teardown, where we analyze your cold emails to grow your business. In today's episode, we're going to break down a cold email sent by an agency that will help you generate more clients. Let's check it out together. So the goal of today's email was to get more clients for an agency. Let's break it down to see what works and what does not. Subject line: improve your website conversion rate. Hey, first name, let me be upfront. I'm here to sway you into making changes to your websites in order to improve your website conversion rate. Did you know that the main reasons fintech websites fail at customer conversion are 1. Bad design that is not focused on user experience. Visitor has no clue what to do next. 2. Not showing value in clear messaging, using way too many buzzwords that mean nothing. These are not some made-up facts, but are the actual problems clients want us to solve. If you need help with converting website visitors into customers, hit that reply and let's chat. Have a great day. Signature. Let's analyze this cold email in detail. Subject line: improve your website conversion rate. It's a pretty good subject line as it's straightforward, it's clear, the prospect knows exactly what to expect from the email's message, it refers to a potential pain point, goal of the prospect, it's catchy and pushes the prospect to open the email to know more about how to improve their website conversion rate. Here are other approaches that we can use for the subject line. Want to improve your website conversion rate? Do this. X tips to improve your website conversion rate. Idea to help you improve your website conversion rate. Next, let's see the intro or icebreaker. Hey, first name, let me be upfront. I'm here to sway you into making changes to your website in order to improve your website conversion rate. Okay, first of all, this first sentence is too self-centered. It also sounds a bit salesy as you come up with a statement before building any trust or credibility. Let me be upfront. This is a fluff phrase, doesn't bring any value. I'm here to sway you into making changes. It has a negative connotation and it might not be well received by the prospect. It sounds like a critique, like what they're doing at the moment is not good enough and should be changed. My advice is to stray away from "you're doing it wrong." Did you know that the main reasons fintech websites fail at customer conversion are 1. Bad design that is not focused on user experience. Visitor has no clue what to do next. 2. Not showing value in clear messaging, using way too many buzzwords that mean nothing. Overall, this approach sounds a bit too generic and vague. Without a specific and personalized example, it looks like you're talking about all fintech websites. If you want to catch your prospects' interest, you need to talk about them and bring up things that is 100% relevant to them. These are not some made-up facts, but are the actual problems clients want us to solve. Even if your statements sound logical, you're not actually building any trust or credibility. Instead of just stating a fact without solid arguments, I would add social proof, which will position you as someone who has good insights on the topic. You can do that by adding examples of specific clients who are relevant to the prospect's industry, or you can add some stats of conversion rates that your customers get. For example, this will help your prospects see the potential value they can get out of your product. If you need help with converting website visitors into customers, hit that reply and let's chat. The CTA might sound clear, but it doesn't bring any value to the prospect. Plus, it's very straightforward, but in a salesy way. You stated that your goal was to get bookings, so maybe you can directly ask for a call, but in a much more formal way. Have a great day. Signature. Now let's see how this email can be improved.
12 seconds later.
Here's the new version. Hey, first name, icebreaker. I noticed that some of your website elements could prevent your visitors from converting into customers. There are 2 things that can be optimized on your website to increase customer conversion. 1. A design more focused on user experience to give your visitor a clear view of what to do next. 2. A clear messaging that shows the unique value you bring them. We helped similar company increase their conversion rate from number to number in X days by implementing thing 1 and thing 2. I've noted a couple more things that you could add to improve conversions on your website. If you're up for it, we could discuss it during a call. What do you say? Have a good day. Signature. So it works because you had an icebreaker consisting of a genuine compliment about their website before diving into the points that can be improved. It shows you have done your research. You highlight a pain point, not converting your visitors. You immediately provide a solution to the problem. By rephrasing the message, it feels more focused on your prospect and gets them more enthusiastic about what you have to say. And you add social proof by giving an example of how you helped one of your clients. You align the solution to your service at the same time. Your CTA is clear, it piques curiosity, it'll make your prospect ask themselves, what did they find on my website that I could improve? And it brings value to them. If you want your cold email to be analyzed by our team of experts too, it's simple. Join our Facebook community, the link is in the description, then leave a comment below.